Hey folks, yeah, I'm breathing heavy because this is the combination of extensions I've used to get to the bottom left bolt for the knee bar, which interestingly enough, you can see almost through there. So the way I wrestled that thing off was obviously put the long extensions on, and then you can eyeball it through the top, again, right through there, oddly enough, and then you can at least hold it to make sure that you're on right, because man, that thing is not easy. So let's try the other side now, but holy crap, that was not simple. Okay, we have the same situation up here on the right side. Yeah, someone ran speaker wire through this side too, so let's see if I can get to all four of these bolts without killing myself. And yeah, I'm laying down on this thing too, by the way, just so you know what position you have to get into in order to remove the knee bar from your Volkswagen Cabriolet. Alright, so let's see if we can focus in there. So luckily, I was able to use the same extension as I just showed you and loosen all four of these bolts, because there's a lot of room back here to use the socket. And you can get a straight shot at it. The only thing you have to do for the upper right one is just to, upper left one, is to just move this blower hose slightly out of the way. No trouble at all. So I loosened them. Now I'm just going to reach in with my left hand and take them out. All right. Well, here's that MFer out finally. But look at what you can see now. So this is what I was going for. You know, there's a shit ton of speaker wire there. That crap. These are the here are all the wires for the gauges that sit here, right? The oil pressure, coolant temperature, and voltage, or whatever it is. But that's what I want to look at, because there are already a handful of wires that are loose. And that just scares the crap out of me. Plus, I'm gonna get my voltmeter, and I'm actually gonna test all the fuses without taking them out, right? So you just take your voltmeter and you touch across to see if there's continuity just on the top little spots on the fuses. Let's see if I can do that without dropping everything here. So, oops, where are we here? Hello, bring back. Here, let's try that. Oh, let's try that again. So in this case, it's right on the end here. Sorry, in each of these, like the 10 there, you can just touch the voltmeter probes on either side of that and you'll get continuity test. So that's pretty straightforward. The rest of that crap's a mess. Things like the hazards weren't working and a handful of things like that. So it could be bulbs, but I'm also clearly just going to check all the relays as best I can as well. So that wraps me up for today, because honest to God, I think I'm done with this thing. Everything I've taken out. You know, when I started today, as you saw, there were seats in here. Seats, I actually drove it for the first time just around. So that's good for now. Let's see what else we can get up to. But as always, thanks for watching. And if you have any tips for this stuff, please let me know, because I am clearly new at this. This is my first Volkswagen product I've ever worked on, and certainly nothing, well, other than my S2000, nothing to this degree. Anyway, thanks all. Take care.